Hello guys, this is Jamal with you from AppSolve giving tips to Salesforce. Today we're gonna go through creation for a new object in Salesforce and we will see how we can do that. So we have two types of objects. We have standard objects and we have custom objects. The standard objects, these objects are the objects with what already in the organization. Once the creation of that organization, let's take a little bit examples. So we have the leads object, contacts object, accounts object, opportunities. All of these are standard objects, and I will show you how we can see the difference between the standard object and the custom object. So here we can see work task items. Work task items. This object is a custom object that we already created in our organization. So let's see how we can create a new custom object. So we can do standard object because the standard object, it's an object it's already in the org, already built in the org, but the custom object, it's the object what we can create. So in the object manager, we can see the type for each object. Custom object, this one account is a standard object. As we said, account team member standard object. We can check for the contacts, search for that. Okay, here's the contact object, is a standard object. And there is another way that we can see the difference between the standard object and the custom object. We can see the ending of the API name of the custom object ending with __C, which is custom, referring to custom, and the standard object is only name without __C. Okay, so how we can create an object? We can just click here and then create custom object, and then we will start filling in the details for that object. So let's say this object gonna be named, let's say, store. The plural name for that is stores. We can fill in description, and we can go through these settings here. Record name. The record name is the ID in the object, and we can just change it from here. Store name. So let's keep it store name. The data type for that field gonna be text. We can do it auto number. Auto number, we can do something, let's say something like that. And because it's a store, we can name it ST. And that's the example how we can start the auto number. We can start from 1000, and we can start from 0. We can start from 1, as you like. And then we have optional features for that object, allow reports. So that will create a report type, and we can pull these records of that object in a report. Allow activities. We can see the activities on each record. Track field history. That will track the changes on the field's data. Allow in chatter group. We can communicate using chatter groups using that object. Allow sharing, allow bulk API access, allow streaming API. That will refer to the Apex code, and everything needs API. Deployed, is it ready or not in deployment? Allow search, that will allow us to search the records from here. from the home page search bar. Add Google Docs, notes, attachments, related list to default page layout. So this, let's say, let's go to leads. We're gonna see John Smith. In the activity, we can see um, here on the right, there is a components, and each component can have records. There is a component named notes and attachments. We can just keep it there by default. Launch new custom tab wizard after saving. Like we can do a custom tab without going to create a new tab. So let's allow search, records, allow activities, track history. This one is so important. Allow chat group. Uh, Starting number, let's say 1, and let's save. Okay, so invalid substitution variable. Okay, there is something wrong here. Okay, let's do it text and go ahead. We will go back to that one. It took us to the tabs because we checked the tabs option. And let's keep it store. We need to choose. Let's take the apple or the balls. Anything you can match that with your what you need to show. So next, include tab for each files, then save. Okay, now we have the store object is ready to use. Now let's refresh. Let's see if that's here. Okay, we may need to add that. Add more items, all, and store. We have stores here, add to that, and then save. So now we have the stores object in the tabs area, and everything is good. Okay, now we can just create new records for that object. We only have one field, which is store name and currency. That's Walmart. Save. Now we have a new record and the related. Nothing. We need to add everything here, and then we are good to go. So that was how to create objects in Salesforce. So thanks for watching. Jamal was with you from AppSolve. Subscribe for more content.